What's up, troops? It's me and Aaron. We are back for another episode on the Subaru build. We are going to get the brake bias fitted. We are going to get the scuttle panel painted gloss black, and we're going to get the sound deadening finished. Let's get it done. We're going to get this cleaned up and painted gloss black. I use some plastic primer just because it's plastic, and then we'll paint it black. So while that's drying in between coats, we're going to jump onto the sound deadening, get it finished. So I think I've got enough sound deadening up there, and so I'm just going to finish up on the rear strut towers just to try and reduce some of the road noise, because we just want all exhaust noise. First layer of black on, we'll let that set, and then we'll get straight on to the second. Nice new brake bias. We're going to fit it right there. We're going to build a bracket so it's now nice and pretty. There's my bracket, just going to paint it black and then we'll get it fitted. Nice wee bracket, ready to go in. See how it goes. So the brake bias is in. We will build this back up and hopefully we can get the bolts and get that finished up. Voila! Just waiting in the new replacement line for here and we are done! So, look at this, it's gloss black. We're going to let that dry, see how it looks tomorrow. Aaron done that, some of it. And then we have got all the sound deadening. I think I'm happy where I went with that. I can put some in the parcel shelf for when we get the tunes banging. And we get the brake bias done. So, brake bias is done, sound deadening is done, scuttle panel is done. We're just about to put the gear linkage in because that's just about to arrive. Let's get it in. Wiper motor is in. I really should have filmed it, but that was not an easy task. I had to split it up to get it in. Nice new bolts. Cleaned up the motor. Job done. So there we go. Wiper motor is in. Scuttle panel's in. Painted. Rubber trims cleaned back on. I bought brand new clips to go all the way along here. That would be good. These clips are in the back, are in. And there's a rubber seal that goes along here, which I've ordered brand new, which I'm no fitting to the window goes in, which will be the very last thing. It's getting there now.